today we are going to learn about this 3D and easy doodles. So let's start. Firstly, we draw the design with the pencil and then we draw a heart in between it, and we will curve the line on the heart like you see in the video. Just follow it along the video and you are able to do it with me. And then we will draw it with our marker and we will fill every other strip. So like one is going to be entirely black and then we are going to leave one white strip. This speed is like 50x, so don't worry, all the doodles take time, and that is the reason why we are drawing, to slow our mind, not to overburden it, just to relax, just like this video. And you can see it's already looking like a 3D already. And now we will do some finishing here and there, and then we will do the shading using a pencil. So like this half will look like it's pulling behind the strips, and you can see it's already looking alive. And I used a Q-tip here to blend the pencil, and it's looking amazingly beautiful. And here you go, your 3D simple doodle is ready. Now you try it and let me know that how much you like it. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.